Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make dynamite chicken, and this is like one of the delicious recipe related to chicken you're ever going to try. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video and let's know how this dynamite chicken is made. First of all, I'm going to take chicken, boneless chicken, about 250 grams. With that, I'm adding soya sauce. With that, I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some red chili powder, about 1 teaspoon, and you can increase or decrease the amount of that. With that, I'm taking 1 teaspoon chili flakes, red chili flakes, and that's all. Well, I'm going to add salt as well, and you can add salt according to your taste. It's really up to you. Some people like to add more salt, some people like to add less. It's really up to you. With that, I'm adding an egg and some oregano. Like I'm taking 1 teaspoon of oregano and corn flour, about 2 tablespoons. So that's what we are going to add in this. With that, I'm adding all-purpose flour, about 2 tablespoons as well. And now I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. So we're going to deep fry it like unless it turns out to be golden brown in color. I've taken a pan and I've poured some oil into it, and with the passage of time I'm going to add more and more chicken, and we are going to let it fry. So you can see this turned out to be golden and brown in color. So we're going to take them out into a separate plate. While I'm taking them out, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button? Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So I'm going to repeat the process. Okay, do the same process, and then we will just take all this out again, the chicken. So now we will move towards the next part. That's gonna be taking a bowl for sauce. Like I'm going to ready the sauce. I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, like about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to take it into the bowl. With that, I'm adding ketchup, about 3 tablespoons as well. I'm going to add some chili sauce, and you can add it like 2 tablespoons. That's going to be enough. You can also increase or decrease the quantity of that. With that, I'm adding black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. And now I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. So you can see the mixing is done. Now I'm going to add all this chicken in this bowl. After the mixing, well, mix it quite well so that this chicken is coated well with the sauce. So do try this recipe at home, and if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed it. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. And thanks for watching.